I'm going to show you how you can get energy in Temu hat trick. Now, the one I'm doing right now is not exactly the hat trick, but it is the same principle. You see, right now, if I press on this and then I run out of water, or in this case, energy, you can see this is what it will look like here, right? So you can see I'm out of water or out of energy. Now I will need to claim more energy here, right? So I'm just gonna tap on this. You can see there is more energy right now. If you play any of these games, whether it be the hat trick or anything else, you will eventually just earn more energy as well. You can see this is what it will look like. If you want to earn more energy, or you can earn water as well, it has a couple of new skins. So sometimes these events turn from either hat trick or either energy here on from land. You can see if you want to get more energy, you can just claim it on everything here, right? So for example, I can claim here. For example, if you want to get more energy, you can see tap on claim here, and then you can claim more energy there, right? If you have it, you can see sometimes you can also have help here like this. You can see now, if you want to keep doing, just keep going. Now you can see like this, you can see it'll keep going. Let's just keep harvesting and getting more energy as well. If you want to claim, you can just also tap this button. Sometimes it may lag, or sometimes it may have a lot of animations. So you may be locked into a lot of animations here. So you can see just what it will look like. Second goal reach. But you do get the point, because on any of these events, usually you can get a lot of energy, even if it's without collecting friends, right? So even if you don't have to invite friends, you don't have to, right? Because you can see you can get water, you can claim water there, you can get these water as well. You can see tap on get now here as well. You can see more water or more energy, you can say. Again, this is the same principle as it is in the hat trick, right? Because this is just the same thing, but it's just a different animation. You can see you can get a lot of water here. You can see like that. So you can see there is a lot of methods without inviting friends. You just really have to tap around on the screen as well and go through a lot of animations along with it as well. And if that doesn't work, you can see there is still a lot of ways you can get water here. For example, browse liking deals, share to a group chat, browse quality items, pick your exclusive discounted item. And for the share to group chat one, you don't actually need to share it to a friend. You can just share it to an empty group chat if you'd like. You can also get a referral water if you like, but this is the one where you need to invite new friends. So we can just also ignore this if we'd like. We can just continue with on our this all without inviting any friends.